Wait. Who is ready for a new topic today? If this is the first time seeing my face, I'd like to say hello to you. My name is Oge, and today's chapter is change of character. Now, many of us are actually struggling with trading change of character, and I struggled with it a lot. Like, these are things that I struggled with actually. I'm not struggling anymore. I struggled with it a lot, and I want to enlighten you guys about it. Many of us use it as a form of strategy. You understand me? Strategy, and I want to show you guys how to trade it. Now, before I forget, my Odogus, the VIPs, you guys are the real Ds. You guys are the real ones. I want to say a big thank you for subscribing on my channel. It hasn't been easy. Thank you for tapping on the channel to actually watch my content. I believe and I know that this content I'm about to share with you will be a value to your time. Yeah, you being here is time for you and it's going to be a value to your time. So I want to say a big thank you also for tapping on this channel to enjoy this amazing content I'm about to share with you. Before I forget, how can I forget? Before I forget, you see that there's a red button under that is saying subscribe. You see a red button. If you look below the screen, you see a red button saying subscribe. Please do not forget to tap on that subscription button. A lot of people are struggling with understanding change of character. The short name is CHOCH, right? And people are struggling to understand the change of character. But you can tap on that subscription button. You can help the YouTube algorithm to help push that video out for someone that needs it, that do not understand the change of characters. So, auntie, uncles, please tap on that subscription button. Become my new Odogus. I'm going to hail you guys. And if you subscribe, you can say subscribe on the comment section. I can give you a big hailing. Like, thank you for being an Odogu on this channel. I really do appreciate the subscription. Thank you so much. And as we go into the new chapter, I hope you gain some big value.
This topic is change of character strategy, which the sign is CHOCHO. For many of you that are traders, you understand what this means. That is change of character strategy. Now, these are the rules. Firstly, you look for an institutional reference point. That is an order block, breaker block, fair value gap, mitigation block. That's the first one. Then the second one is the time frame of the entry, which you have to be very conscious of. And the third one is how much are you ready to risk per that zone. You have to backtest it to know that you want to risk 1% of your account or you want to risk 0% of your account, depending on how strong you're actually very good. But this is the simplest strategy ever in the market. Now, how does it work? Let me give you an example here. Now, we know that market does higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and the low is being broken. It comes back in here. Let me stop from here. Let me stop here. Now, a change of character happens when the low is being broken. You can see this place here. This place here will be called a change of character. A change of character. That's what happened here. Now, those that actually beginner traders, when you start trading, we call this the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now, the moment market breaks the higher low, a change of character has taken place. Now, when a change of character has taken place, this is what happened here. We start looking for institutional reference point, a breaker block. One of my videos, I think I've taught about breaker block. You can go there and watch it. So this is a breaker block that is here. The last candle, the last candle before the impulse move, the breaker block. I come in here, I look for my order block. This will be an order block. But before you mark all these references, you have to go to a lower time frame. Those are why all the rules are here. You go to a time frame. That is, for me, I go with 4 hours and 1 hour. Like, let's assume you find a change of character in 4 hours. Before you take any entry in that zone, you go to a lower time frame. That's 1 hour, and you start looking for all the institutional reference points. Example, while in a 4 hours time frame, can you see it here? Take note of this whole rule. It will guide you. I try to post videos that come with rules so that can make it very easy for you to trade. You don't have to start remembering, okay, what do I have to look for? I kind of always put out rules so you can write it down in a book and guide yourself on how to use it to trade. Now, an example is here. Okay, this is an example here. Okay, where's my cursor? You can see here that there was a change of character around here. It was a break of character, a break of coral, break of break of structure, and you can see it here. There was a change of character around here. Can you see it around here? There was a change of character around here. Sorry, my hand is shaky. There's a change of character around here. Now we all know that when market does, we all know that when market does a break of structure with a wick, it is not considered a break of structure. Am I right? So it's considered like a kind of liquidity being created. But until market comes out with a body, you can see it actually here. That's when you categorize as a change of character. Then you can take your Fibonacci here. Now this is the last candle before the impulse move. Right here, you can see that's the breaker block. You look for like a fair value gap. This fair value gap has been covered by this zone. If I look at my Fibonacci around here, there is a very small fair value gap inside here. That's the first point. Then I come down to around 1 hour. That's a lower time frame. Around 1 hour, that's how to trade a change of card. This is the simplest strategy ever. Around 1 hour, around that environment, you can see the whole zone here. I try to look for what can react. If you can see here, there's a what they call a break of structure here. And you can see there was a change of character inside. And this is an inner breaker block. And you can see market came here and reacted. This is on a lower time frame where I'm going to take my own entry from. Now, if you can see it here, if I use my Fibonacci from here to here, where the market did break of structure, I can see there was a small fair value gap here. You can see it. So this is how you actually break down your chart from the higher time frame to the lower time frame to get an entry. And you would wonder why market reacted there. Now you can see also in this direction here, this is a new one. There is also what a break of structure here. These are the examples I'm giving out. And what am I seeing here? I'm seeing here a change of character here. Now, a change of character has happened here. I'll take my box here, and this is the last candle that happened before the impulse move. That's the first one. Then I take my Fibonacci, take it from the high to the low. I can see here, normally in the future, I might kind of do a video of what we call NWOG, all these gaps. They call it like gaps. NWOG, you see one that has NDOG, like some of a gap, right? Now you can put your normally market always come to fill out all these gaps. All these gaps are where markets come and fill out. But NWOG is new week open gap, NDOG is new day open gap. So all those kind of gaps are like form of liquidity that market just creates. It can come up like an impulse move or something. Market always come back there to fill it up. Now if I come down to my lower time frame, this is my breaker block. I'm not seeing anything nice here. And also it's not below my Fibonacci level. So this is a premium zone. So I might not take any entry from there. But if you look down inside here, there's a break of structure here. Can you see that now? There's a break of structure in here. And what am I seeing inside those zone? I'm seeing what I call another breaker block inside. So I'm going to take this entry from here. This is the simplest strategy my coach actually taught me when I was really struggling then with Forex actually. So I'll take my entry from there and I can go whatever I want to do with my entry. And let's see it. Let's try and boom. You can see it, right? Okay, it has blocked my chart already. So that's how to trade your change of character. You just go to a higher time frame, pick a change of character, go to a lower time frame and find entry in that change of character. You can start to go below 45 minutes, 30 minutes, everything depends on you. So kindly take note of these rules. They are very important. Like it can really help you in your trading, to understand how this rule works very, very well. It will help you a lot. You can write it in a book, tape it on a wall, and say, okay, I want to trade the change of character strategy, and this is the best way to trade it. Thank you so much, and I hope you gain a value. This channel is going to give you a lot of amazing content. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, tap on the subscription button, ask your question in the comment section. I try my best to answer everybody on the comment section. I hope we're gaining some value from this channel. Thank you so much. Me na feel like you're an Angelina Dima.